Good morning, Penridge. I'm Evan Lechowicz with your weather for today. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Today's weather is partly cloudy with a chance of meatballs with a high of 62 and a low of 44. The rest of the week is cloudy, but there is no promising as there could be some showers to pop up for the rest of the week. That's it for me. Now off to the next segment.
Good morning. How are you? My name is Tim Grindle. Here's episode 3 of Garage Facts, where we talk about vans. Not those vans. These vans. I got this inspiration from, my feet. Most days I wear Vans, and therefore I subconsciously look at them quite a lot. Personally, I just like them for skateboarding and generally wearing on my feet. That second one, they're quite good at. Did you know that in 1976, the Van Doreen Rubber Company, as it was known at the time, declared bankruptcy, meaning that those 7 pairs of checkered Vans that you have sitting in the corner of your room that you wear once a month wouldn't be there. Everyone would be walking around wearing those weird little half-boot Ugg things. Did you know that on their opening day, the people at Vans didn't actually think they needed to have an inventory? They opened a store where you couldn't actually buy anything. Genius. The 12 people that actually made purchases that day had to wait a week or so that they could get the shoes that they ordered. Finally, did you know that the Vans Corporation was commissioned by the U.S. Department of Defense and the U.S. Air Force to produce wool-lined canvas and rubber mucklucks? If you don't know what mucklucks are, they're probably the comfiest little slipper shoes you could ever own. I would definitely recommend. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, off to the next segment.
I'm Harrison Levin, here with a gardening tip for the day. Before you get to start collecting and harvesting your plants, you first need to germinate the seeds. Today, I'll be showing you a very easy method on germinating in just a Ziploc baggie like this. So right here, we have some basil seeds. As you can see, this is one that's already done, but on top we have the basil seeds that are resting. So you're going to just want to start off by taking some of the basil seeds in your finger like that. They're very tiny and delicate. And remember, you can do these with any seeds. So take a few, try and spread them out. So now we're going to want to fold it. And then fold it again. Now we're just going to be squirting it with some plain old water. Just so then it's going to be able to start the germinating process. As you can see, you're able to actually see the seeds through the paper towel. And these are just your average Bounty paper towels. Now let's give it a couple more squirts of water. Now we're going to want to put it into a Ziploc bag. So now that we have our seeds in the bags, we are going to go and tape them onto a window that has plenty of sunlight coming in. So luckily, my living room has plenty of nice sunlight, and eventually, in about probably 5 to 10 days, you will see little sprouts popping through the seeds, my apologies, right through the paper towel. So right here is perfect, and then in 8 days, these will be ready to go into the soil. And then in probably 8 weeks or less, you're going to be having fresh basil. You can go put it in a nice caprese salad or on some nice margarita pizza. That's it for me. Now off to the next segment.
Hey everyone, it's Paige Wilkinson and I'm here with my mom and I'm going to be reading your guys' announcements for the day. So first, from the College and Career Center, applications are being accepted for the Pearl S. Buck International Global Leadership Program 2020 Summer Sessions. The program is for students in grades 9 to 11 and is designed to help young adults become better students, college applicants, and global citizens. Students build relationships and learn vital skills such as team communication, cultural awareness, creativity, community service, leadership, goal setting, and decision-making in a group setting with teams from multiple high schools and differing backgrounds. Students are invited to apply now for summer session number 1. The application deadline is June 22nd, 2020. Classes will begin the week of July 13th to July 17th, 2020. More information and the application can be found at pearlsbuck.org/leadership. And attention seniors, would you like some free ice cream? The Hickory Stick is running a week-long event for the class of 2020. You can receive a free medium soft serve in a cup or cone. This is for your graduating class only. Come to the Hickory Stick between May 11th to May 18th. Bring your student ID and take advantage of this opportunity. Lastly, from the Penridge Music Department, one of our students, Christine Hayes, class of 2020, had been selected to be one of the singers in a choir which is made up of the top high school vocalists from the state of Pennsylvania. In January, she, along with 14 other Penn students, auditioned and became part of the PMEA District 11 choir. At the district level festival, each participant re-auditioned, and the top 10 singers from each voice part moved on to the PMEA Region 6 chorus. Once again, re-auditioning at the region level, the top 6 from each voice part were selected to be part of the all-state chorus. This means Christine was one of 36 first sopranos of the 600 original first soprano auditioners. This is an incredible accomplishment and honor. Due to the present situation, Christine is not able to take part in the event that was to be held this weekend. Shout out to you, Christine, and know that we are Penridge proud. That's it for me and all of us here at the Daily Ramble. Have a great day and stay safe, Penridge.